What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, let me teach you how can you fix couldn't send message in Messenger. So if this happens to you guys, this will be a couple of reasons. So first thing to check is if it is updated to the latest version. So go over to Messenger on your Play Store or there and okay. And you need to update this guys. So this is mandatory guys, so you just have to tap on update here if it is not updated. So as you can see, mine is updated here, so let me open that and there. So if you are having the current send message error, so as you can see, I can message this person right here, but if you are having this error, it will not be able to have the check mark here on the right side, the lower right side, the circle one. It will not have a check, or it will have a exclamation mark error right here over there. And if that happens to you guys, just follow along this. So go back and go over to the upper left corner here on the side of the chats, your user profile. Go over to your settings here and go over to help. Go over to unable to send messages on Messenger and make sure to check the troubleshooting tips here. As you can see, the first one is to update your Messenger app as we've checked earlier and there. So go over there, go over here at the bottom, and was this helpful? Make sure to check on no, tap on no, other right there, and go over and type in what you are facing. So for example, I need to the messaging feature fix, please help me. So like that. So just state your issue here and explain your issue very well. So it doesn't have to be this way, so it is all up to you. Press submit guys, and as you can see, your feedback helps improve this answer. So just wait for a couple of business days for Messenger to have a feedback to you on your email or phone number, whatever you put on your Messenger. So okay guys, that is how you can fix couldn't send message in Messenger.